I've purchased a branch mulcher. This will be used periodically when we fell trees to make wood chips out of branches for pathways or gardening. Join us as we unbox it and test it for the first time. Tools. Oh.
Proper tools.
He says proper. Entrance to hell. Oh my god! I didn't know we bought an IKEA branch mulcher. Tired. Oh yeah. Whatever this is. A thing. Oh yeah.
Nice engine.
What the hell? Toolbox?
Ja, det kommer med.
Instructions. Cool. How hard can it be? 420 cc, easy to start. Horizontal engine, OHV. What a machine! Put it closer. Oh yeah. This is quite the beast. It's quite big. It's bigger than I thought. One. Oh boy. 1.1. You can see the oil. It's right there.
Oh.
There we go. Or so I thought. Turns out the fuel pump was faulty from the factory and was leaking. We fixed it by hammering on it with a hammer and manually sucking out the fuel-filled cylinder. Or my neighbor did. And then, fingers crossed, it doesn't explode. It might explode. Yes! We wanted to try it on some actual branches as well, but this time it struggled to start. Run. I know, these twigs are hardly any branches, but it's all we could find. But hey, It works.
Side mission complete. I've got it on my place now. I'm gonna start it and I'm gonna test a couple of branches here and we're gonna see how it works. Exciting.
At this point, I thought to myself, man, I have to try something bigger. So I fetched a whole tree and, well, it jammed. I had forgotten to turn the revs up to max, so it didn't chew through it properly. I also learned afterwards that skinny sticks and twigs in masses are not good to jam into a mulcher like this. Oh well, you live and you learn.
Okay. Oh, I see. Just full of crap. Before putting stuff like this in here, yeah, just also full of revs I think would help.
A keen observation. Yep, it had fully jammed, and there was only one thing left to do, and that was to open it and clean out the branches so that it can freely spin again. So I opened it and I cleaned it, and this is the face of a man who doesn't know that he's just about to cut his finger on it. Thankfully, it didn't cut too deep. And here are my neighbors using it a few weeks later. Works like a charm, barks like a dog, and chews like a shark. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Det var en jävel till maskin det här alltså.